Hi everyone, it's Sally from the Friendly Food Club and we're going to be cooking flapjack cookies this week. Yum! So if you haven't already, go wash your hands and come back and let's get cooking. Before we start our cooking today, the first thing we should always really do is, if we need to, is put the oven on. So for today's recipe, you need your oven on 180 degrees Celsius or gas mark 4. The first step in this recipe to make your flapjack cookies is to put 40 grams of sugar and then 40 grams of butter into a bowl and mix it together. Mix it together till it's all smooth and you can't tell which is the sugar and which is the butter. So once you've got your butter and your sugar all nicely mixed together, you want to add 2 tablespoons of either honey or golden syrup, and you want to mix that in again till it's all completely combined in with the butter and the sugar. Once you've got your honey or your golden syrup all combined into the mixture, you then want to add 30 grams of self-raising flour and 50 grams of porridge oats, and again mix it all together really well so everything is combined. Don't worry if it gets a bit tricky to do that and it's a bit stiff, just keep on going till it's all mixed in evenly, okay? The next step is to add raisins, currants, anything like that you might have, dried fruit sultanas or anything like that, and maybe some chocolate chips. I'm going to put a little bit of both in here, about 25-30 grams all together, and again I'm going to mix that into the mixture until it's really well mixed together. The next thing you want to do with your mixture, once it's all properly mixed together, is make it into 8 little balls of mixture. Try to make them the same size. It doesn't really matter if they're not, but just try to make them all the same size. What you want to do next, you've got your 8 little balls of mixture. You want to grease a baking tray so they don't stick and put them evenly spaced on your tray because you don't want them sort of melting into each other. And then you want to give them a tiny little pat, maybe with the back of a spoon, just to squish them a tiny little bit, not a lot, and then pop them into your oven for 10 to 12 minutes. So everyone, here are lovely flapjack cookies straight out the oven. They smell absolutely amazing. I'd love to eat one right now, but actually you need to leave them to cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes because they're really soft right now and you need them to crisp up and become a bit more biscuity. But anyway, listen, enjoy them when you do eat them. Enjoy cooking them. Please share your photos of your cooking and your flapjack cookies on our Facebook page, The Friendly Food Club. Until next time, happy cooking!